Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I have birthday gift from Daddy. Yay! Advance birthday gifts. And I want to share you guys the unboxing of my Apple Watch. Ta-da! Here is. Yeah, there is. There is.
It's all new.
Yep, SE, the smallest Apple Watch.
SE,
Yeah, SE.
straight aluminum case, 40 millimeters.
Yep.
Typical, it came out like less than 6 months ago.
This is Daddy watch.
Yep, Daddy here is.
Same, it's got a little black.
But that is
Silver.
41 mm.
And take it off.
Okay,
No,
there
look
is.
at it.
Slowly. Okay, there you go. Ta-da! I'm excited, Archie. Ta-da!
I'm not excited.
Yeah, there is.
There's nothing.
Oh, a box in the box.
There's a box and a box and a box.
Yeah.
Okay, here, this is the watch.
Let's see.
The watch.
Slowly. Not want to rip. These are
Take it off, peel it off.
Yep.
Need a knife?
No.
Just peel that, Archie. Let's
You're supposed to cut it with a knife.
like that. And have here too.
In the string.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's
There
see.
it is.
Ta-da! Oh no! I just put this.
What does it
Yes.
say?
Yes.
What does it say?
This is the
Oh, designed by Apple in California. Don't rip.
that.
And here is guys the back. And have a cover. We get this cover. And here is
The trace.
we get this plastic.
Okay, this
Open it.
Okay,
is the thing.
what's that?
Okay, look. This.
Instruction.
This is yeah,
And here
instruction.
is. Yep. And here is the. And here is the charger. Here is.
He's got that open already. Starlight.
Yep. This is a Starlight.
Color on the side.
Flip the other
40
side.
mm.
Where's the other side?
Here it is.
Okay, and this is the band.
This is worthless.
Here's Nike.
Nike watch.
Here is Tara.
Here it is.
No
The
problem.
bands. The two bands.
This is a small, medium band.
Uh-huh.
The Nike brand is Nike. Snap here.
Didn't hear the snap. Looks like it's together. You got your phone.
Here's yes, guys. I'm ready to pair. United States.
Let's
And
start
there
pairing.
is
Pair from our
start
phone.
pairing. And here too.
Yeah. They're connected.
Connect up.
Bluetooth on.
Turn on
Need
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. Settings. Bluetooth on. No, wait. Oh, there it is. Which one? Okay. Smartwatch.
Continue.
Set up for myself.
Yep. Set up for myself. Position. This
Right here.
maybe this like that. Ooh, there is.
Wait, what did it say?
What does it say? Use camera to set up Apple Watch.
Pick up your phone and point it at the Apple Watch. Have to line it up exactly.
Yeah, like that. Pairing.
Phone is out of date.
They said it was compatible.
Okay guys, my iPhone is not pairing. So we need to return this in Apple.
One eternity later.
Hi mga higala, welcome back to my channel. And to this video mga higala, mo balik na po ta sa Apple kay mag-return ta sa Apple Watch. Kaya ako ang cellphone mga higala is, and then the software is 15. Anang karaan-karaan na ang akong iPhone mga higala. So mo na nga ang compatible sa Apple Watch is ang software is 16 and then ako kay 15, so dili sila compatible kay karaan-karaan na lagi. Dili siya updated sa 16 na software. So muna nga atong ibalik Apple Watch kay di compatible sa ako ang cellphone kay 15 pa ang software and then compatible is 16 na software. So kuyugi mi mga higala uad to na po ta dito mo return. So, og magkuha pa ta ni RJ kay 3 o'clock na, mga 3:25 ang out ni RJ. So pick upon sa nato si RJ og muadto ta og Farmington. Tara, let's go mga higala. Here he is waiting here for RJ. Have a lot of car now here. We're late. We're here now in the other side because it's late. Here's RJ. It's coming. It's coming, RJ. Here he is. Okay, let's go now. Okay guys, naanak ko diri sa Farmington guys, mga higala. Sila daddy nag-unara, ako rang i-drop sa front. Kay gasakit ang tiil ni daddy. There is that big tree. Here is apple store. Oh, grabe ka tugnaw mga higala. Okay, let's go inside mga higala. Okay mga higala, we done now return mga higala. Oh, we going to the car na. Daddy, look at that there, RJ. Nice Christmas tree. Copyright the song. Okay guys, we here now in the parking lot. Oh, grabe ka tugnaw. Hido. Look at the building. There is. Okay. We're driving now mga higala. Let's go to McDonald's. Okay guys, we are now in McDonald's. Look at the McDonald's. Arjun Daddy is there. So I'm just waiting here guys. Waiting for daddy. Get hamburger for RJ for dinner. Ay ang akong anak di mo kaon og rice. Burger ay kanon og hamburger, waffle, apple, banana. Never eat rice. Filipino food, they never eat. Saon. Himilian man kayo. Got that Little Caesar their pizza. There is they place in McDonald's. So okay guys, that's it for today guys video. So see you next time. Bye bye. Peace.